up, y'all? So we are jumping straight into this install by Yolissa hair. You guys already seen what all came inside of the package, so we're just gonna jump straight into it. You guys know we are working with this water wave unit, and it just looks so bomb. This is my favorite type of curly texture to work with because it is just so bomb, and I love that it's not too curly. Like the water wave always does it for me. It's like the right amount, especially the 200 density water wave. It's just enough hair, it's not too much, and it just gives you the look that you want. So first, you know what we always do is I am just customizing it to my head so that everything can fit around my ears, and then we are going to go ahead and start the gluing process. So I wanted to try a different method this time. I haven't done the 3-part method in a long time. Like in most of my videos, I just been putting it all over my head at once and then going ahead and gluing everything down. But I wanted to try the 3-part method, you know, doing each part by itself and gluing it. So doing the middle first, gluing it, then doing the sides and gluing it. And when you do it like this, do the middle first, do not do the sides, and work your way up. It's just not gonna work out. So if you're gonna do the 3-part method, just do the middle first and then do your sides. And for the lace glue, you guys know, like when I work with Erica J's lace glue, she says do not dry your glue with a blow dryer. And I kind of feel like we should do this for most of the glues that we use, because I just feel like it just works in a way that is just so much better. So not after you put it, don't blow dry it. Not after you lay the lace, don't blow dry it. When you're waiting for the layers, do not blow dry them. Just let them get clear on their own, or like have a fan on. But I would suggest not blow drying the layers in between, just letting them dry from the air, and then you can blow dry them after you laid the lace. Like after the glue is clear and you laid the lace down, then you can blow dry it. But I kind of feel like this works best for me. I just like doing it that way, and it kind of works with like how strong the glue is. Like I don't know, I think that's what it is, y'all. I'm literally rambling about this glue, but I literally think that all lace glues, this is the way that you should do it. So now after everything is laid, I'm about to lay it with my little elastic band, and I am using this holding spray that you guys will see very, very soon. You'll be able to purchase this very soon. A special person of mine made this lace spray, and you guys, when I tell y'all, it works so good, y'all. When I tell y'all, like when everything is ready to be purchased, I will have everything available for y'all to purchase, because I was testing out this lace spray, and y'all, it works so well. Like I really like it. Like I kind of like it better than the Even, y'all. I'm not even gonna hold y'all, but y'all see, I just let that lay down for a little bit. I didn't blow dry or anything. I just walked around the house a little bit after I let that, you know, melt a little bit. And now I'm going in with my eyebrow razor and just cutting off that lace. And I am just going in with a little bit more glue with the red tip comb, just getting those spots that I missed. Like I always say in my videos, it's better for you to go back and glue pieces than to have too much glue and you messing up the hairline and it just looks crazy and it's just glue everywhere, because taking off glue is not easy. So be careful when you are applying on this glue, and if you have to go back and glue on some pieces, like some parts of the lace, that's completely fine. That's way better, and it just makes everything look more neat. You don't have to worry about trying to clean up glue. So after I let this just melt a little bit more, I took it off and I am starting to make this part. Now I did like part between sections and add my wax stick on there just so I can make sure that everything is flat, with me knowing that I'm doing a side part. So now we are getting into these baby hairs, you guys, and you guys know that I do pluck on my head. I rarely pluck on the mannequin head anymore because I just do not trust my heavy hands. Plucking on the mannequin head, I always pluck on my head just so I can see what's going on. I just like this a little bit better. And what I'm doing is I'm just plucking this area just to make sure everything is as seamless as possible before I do start doing these baby hairs. And I would highly recommend this. I would highly recommend taking out the pieces for your baby hairs and plucking those as well, because you don't want your baby hairs to look too thick. I know there's been times when I've been rushing and my baby hairs look a little thick, but I'd be still trying to make it work. But when you do have the time, you guys, just take that extra time to just pluck a little bit more and just try to make it as seamless as possible, because when you are doing your own hair, you do want it to give that illusion as if you went to somebody licensed or you sat in somebody's chair and you went to go get your hair done. Like, if you're doing your hair yourself, your whole goal is for people to look at you and be like, oh my gosh, like, who did your hair? And you be like, oh girl, I did myself, don't play. And now after I am done doing my baby hairs, you guys, I'm just going back in with that holding spray, and I'm putting that all over my hair and putting it on my edges and stuff just to mold, because this holding spray is good as well for molding your parts, molding how you want everything to be. So that's what I'm just doing right now, because I know I want it to be positioned a certain way and I don't want the curls to like fall exactly in front of my face. So I was just using my holding spray to mold out everything before we start spraying the hair with water and mousse. And I did just spray the hair with some water, and I went in with some mousse off camera because my camera had died. But you guys are just gonna see how everything looked after I went ahead and sprayed everything down, added all the product to it. And I did have shorts on, you guys. They were just some little booty shorts. But this is how everything looks, you guys, when all the product is on there, and it looks so bomb. I love it so much. It is so cute. These curls are popping. Water wave always gives every time. Don't play with Yolissa. All right, you guys, so this is the end result for this hair. Let me kind of scoot back a little bit so you guys can like really see what's going on and see how full it is. This hair is so full and it's so big and it's so cute. And this is what the hair looks like dry, no product or anything on it. This is a couple days after, so the hair is dry. The only thing that I did was spray a little bit of water in the hair earlier today, but I haven't sprayed any water on the hair in like a few hours. So I just wanted to show you guys like the natural texture and how it actually looks after there's like no water on there. I wouldn't say this hair is high maintenance, but you know, you have to spray your curly hair in order for it to look really good. But like when I wake up in the morning and stuff and go, like I literally just spray it with some water and go out the door. And this hair is really soft, so it's like really good. I really liked it. I think when it comes to curly hair, like this like wavy type curly texture is one of my favorites, because it's just like the right type of curl for me. Like, I don't know, it's the right type. Like, I really love it. If you guys want all the information on this unit, make sure you guys click that link down below and shop Yolissa hair. And if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's YouTube channel, and we'll be back with more videos soon. Stay blessed. GI Babies, we out.